Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with Emma and Jack. How's everyone doing today? Feeling good? Or maybe a little lost?
Yeah, that word, lost. We all feel it sometimes, right? When life's like, what am I even doing? And your brain just shuts down.
Exactly. Whether it's after graduation, a breakup, or just a random Tuesday when your soul's like, nope, I'm done.
So, today we're talking about what to do when you feel lost in life. How to find your way back, step by step.
Grab your coffee, take a breath, and let's talk real. Oh, and hey, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe so you never feel lost in your English journey either.
All right, so let's start with this. What does feeling lost even mean? It's not like you're stuck in the middle of a forest, right?
No, it's more like when you don't know where your life is going. You feel confused, uncertain, or maybe just empty inside.
Yeah, it's when you lose your purpose. That word, purpose, means the reason why you do something.
Right, like if your purpose used to be helping people, but suddenly you don't feel motivated anymore, boom, you feel lost.
And here's another good one, identity crisis. It means you're not sure who you are or what you want. Deep stuff, huh?
Totally. But don't worry, we'll help you find your way out of that fog. You're not alone in this. So, Jack, why do you think people feel lost sometimes?
I think it's because life changes too fast. 1 minute, everything's fine. And the next, it's like, wait, what just happened?
So true. And honestly, social media doesn't help. You scroll for 2 minutes and suddenly everyone looks like they've got life figured out.
Yeah, that's what we call the comparison trap. It means you keep comparing yourself to others and end up feeling worse.
Oof, that's a good one. Trap means something that catches you, right? Like a mousetrap.
Exactly. And when you fall into that trap, you stop seeing your own progress. You forget that your path is different, and that's okay.
Right. Everyone's timing is unique. Pause. You're not behind, you're just on your own road.
So, step one, accept it. Don't fight that lost feeling. Just say, okay, I feel lost right now, and that's fine.
Yeah, because when you accept it, you stop judging yourself. That word, judge, means to criticize or blame.
Exactly. When you stop judging, you create space to breathe. You start to see it's temporary, not forever.
And honestly, feeling lost can actually mean you're growing. You're outgrowing your old version, like when your phone says updating.
Yeah. Or like your brain saying, hold on, we're recalculating the route.
Exactly. Don't panic, it's just life saying we're leveling up. Once you've accepted it, the next step is to reflect. That means thinking deeply about what's going on inside you.
Right. Ask yourself questions like, what do I really want? Or what makes me feel alive?
And hey, if you don't have the answers, that's okay. Just asking is already progress.
Yes, progress means moving forward even if it's slow. You're exploring your own story.
Exactly. You're like a detective trying to understand your next clue.
And you know what? When you start asking, life starts answering, little by little. You just have to listen. All right, now it's time to experiment. That means trying new things, even small ones.
Yes, when you try new things like learning a skill, joining a class, or traveling, you discover new parts of yourself.
Exactly, because staying still keeps you stuck. Movement, even tiny movement, brings clarity.
Oh, and that word clarity means clear understanding. When you try, you see what fits and what doesn't.
Right. It's like testing flavors. You'll never know what you love till you taste it.
True, and sometimes you find yourself by accident. That's the beauty of it. Here's something we all forget. Talk to people. don't isolate yourself.
Yeah. Isolate means to separate or pull away from others, and that only makes it worse.
Exactly. When you share what you're feeling, you realize you're not the only one.
Right. Sometimes other people see the good things in you that you can't see yourself.
That's so true. Once I felt totally lost, and a friend just said, Emma, remember how far you've come. Boom! That changed everything.
Words are powerful. Sometimes one kind sentence can light your way again. Here's a big one. Don't rush the process. Finding yourself takes time.
Yes, rush means to move too fast. And when you rush, you miss the lessons.
Exactly. Life isn't a race. It's a journey. If you walk slow but steady, you still reach where you're meant to be.
Ooh, that's deep. But it's true. Sometimes you just need to pause, breathe, and trust the timing.
Absolutely. Even a tiny step forward is still movement. So keep walking.
You know what else helps? Staying open-minded.
Right. That means being willing to try new ideas or see things from a new angle.
Because sometimes the solution comes from a direction you never expected.
Exactly. Maybe you thought your dream was medicine, but suddenly you discover a passion for design or teaching.
Oh, passion. That means something you really love doing. When you follow it, life starts to feel meaningful again.
Yeah, passion gives direction, like a compass pointing north.
All right, my friend, if you're feeling lost right now, remember this. It's not the end of your story. It's just a plot twist.
I love that. Plot twist means an unexpected turn in a story. And sometimes that's how great stories begin.
Exactly. So keep going, stay curious, and trust that everything you're going through is teaching you something.
Beautifully said. And hey, if today's talk helped you even a little, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you do when you feel lost. We'd love to hear your story.
Till next time, stay strong, stay kind, and never stop exploring who you are.
Bye, guys. See you in the next one.